What y'all doing? Who is this? Who is this?
Adventures of Scott and Michelle.
We have a YouTube channel.
Mr. Scott. Look what Scott got. Look at what Scott got. He got a little chicken there. He got his little chicks too. Because he knows there's only one thing sweeter than cinnamon bread. Gotta know that is. Okay, you gotta flap your wings. It's a happy chicken Christmas with a happy that you're here. Mr. Scott, give it everything he got. It's a Christmas chicken Christmas this year. Oh, Scott, give him everything he got. Follow me, Scott. We're ready for a right close up now. With Rooster Scott, go bop, bop, bop. I don't care. So happy y'all with us. Y'all are so fun. It's so good to see you.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here. Chicken blessings, chicken blessings.
Thank you. It's our anniversary too.
Anniversary? You gonna do the chicken making dance for her?
Yes.
That's called between hearts. He's in love with you. Oh, Rooster Scott, he still says cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, feel the chicken love in your eyes so true. Rooster Scott, how he loves you, and you're still spring chickens too. Happy anniversary.
Thank you. We love you.
Oh, my good wishes for many, many years. You know, we have people hitched here for 150 years, so that's for you with your sweet ride. Yes,
thank you.
And I will give y'all Miss Lily stickers too. Oh, so happy to be here. That's for you.
Yeah, we've been coming here since our very first wedding
I
anniversary.
thought so. I knew you were familiar with me. Y'all know where I am, don't you?
Yes.
Y'all can have chicken blessings.
Thank you.
Celebrate.
Thank you. We love you.
Sweetie.
Thank you.
Somewhere to